problem, but here no fun because I am creating the fire. 2, this is my line of control. Nobody will cross this line of control and come here until and unless instructed. Will come here, do the demonstration and go back. In case while doing the demo you feel a bit of a heat, maybe a burn, dip your hand in water. That's why I've got 2 buckets of water. I've got cardboard boxes here. First we will do the firefighting without the extinguisher. Then we will use the carbon dioxide extinguisher. Then we will use the powder type extinguisher. But while using powder type extinguisher, I'll be operating at a discretionary level, because if wind direction changes and suddenly powder goes everywhere, problem can happen. We will see at that time. As of now, wind direction is to this side, so that is why I made you all stand here. As and when it changes, you have to follow my instructions. Farmers will be lighting the fire. We'll be moving this side and that side. Please make sure you do not cross his path. Okay? Ready, Thomas? So here, fuel, oxygen, heat combined together, there is a fire. And I have got a carton box. First, what I will do is, I will drop this on the fire. Then sit down. Hold it both sides. Tap it lightly on the 4 sides. Then remove from the opposite direction. Is there fire? No. What is the reason? I closed the doors and windows. Oxygen supply got cut off. Fire is put out. This effect is called blanketing. What is the effect? Blanketing. Now when you are doing blanketing, first protect yourself. Drop it. Hold it tightly. Tap. And then remove from the opposite side. Now once you drop this, don't check fire area. Hold it tight, tap it and remove. Okay? I'll give a few of people these chances. Can I have 2 people stepping forward? Okay, come forward. Protect yourself. Drop it. Very good. Sit down. Hold it. Tap it on the 4 sides. Now remove from the opposite direction. Very good. Okay, fire on the oil pan. Turn off the LPG stove. Take a dish and cover it. So when you take a dish and cover it, the same thing happens. Now first let us start to use the carbon dioxide type extinguisher. Now this carbon dioxide type extinguisher is very useful on 2 types of fire called B class and C class. B class fire means liquid fire. C class fire means gas and electrical fire. Okay? B class means liquid fire. C class means gas and electrical fire. This extinguisher, from top to bottom, if you look at it, it's a seamless cylinder and it is made of manganese steel. Inside you have 4.5 kg of CO2 filled in liquid condition. There is a valve to open the CO2 and there is a wheel cap to open the valve. There is a discharge nut to which a hose of 1 meter is attached. There is a horn and there is a handle to hold the horn. Now here you have a handle with wheels so that you can move it anywhere, or else you have got a body handle with which you can lift the extinguisher. Here you have got a safety locking pin so that people does not use it during non-emergency situation. Always hold it in the handle. Do not hold anywhere else here because there will be a lot of ice formation. How to operate? Keep your leg very close to the extinguisher. Remove the safety locking pin. Keep a slight distance between yourself and the fire and simply turn the knob. When you turn the knob in anti-clockwise direction, sound will come. Person who knows how to operate will operate. Person who does not know will throw it and run away. Sometimes this is very tight. What some people do is they will keep like this and try to move it. Sometimes they will leave both hands also. CO2. Okay. So first I will operate. Then one by one, almost everybody can operate. Don't worry. Okay, ready? The wind direction is to that side. You are moving here, directed, and okay. Next. No. The automatic moving. First, there will always be a seal. This seal is given so that one, to identify extinguisher is new, and second, there is no problem in the transportation. Second, you will have a safety locking pin here, which you have to remove before operating the extinguisher. Then you have a pressure gauge where it will tell you the pressure. Then to the top is fitted a squeeze grip handle with a hose and a siphon tube inside to suck the powder out. This is a mild steel cylinder, welded container, and inside you have 6 kg or 5 kg of monoammonium phosphate powder. 4 kg or 6 kg. And this extinguisher is filled with dry nitrogen gas at a pressure of 10.5 kg per centimeter square. So once you remove the seal, once you remove the safety locking pin and squeeze this lever, the powder is going to come out and put out the fire by using blanketing method. While operation, you have to be 1, careful with the wind direction, 2, check the pressure gauge, and 3, do not ever go too close to the fire. But before operating any extinguisher, remember, evacuate the people. Now how to use this extinguisher? Remember the word called PASS. P-A-S-S. P for pull the pin. A for aim at the base. S for squeeze the lever. And S for sweep. So first I will operate. Then I will allow some people to operate. Okay. So first you need to remove the seal. Thomas. Okay, remove. Now you need to remove the pin, hold it and squeeze. Okay. Some people what they do is they squeeze and check powder. Ready, sir? Right. The wind direction keeps on changing.